My name is Erik Kline. I am a computer scientist and research team lead here at ISI. I currently work on computer networks and security, focusing on 5G security. I also do some research into spectrum management and spectrum allocation, and a lot of things on traffic analysis, encryption, things like that. In graduate school, I was sort of interested in solving hard problems and thinking about things that other people haven't thought of, and not wanting to just work for what other people tell me to do. And so that was sort of why I became a researcher. ISI sits in an interesting middle place between defense contractor, university, and industry. Whereas if you worked strictly as a defense contractor, you would be working in a much more classified space, and you'd be doing a lot of things that you couldn't really talk about. Here we do have the ability to do that type of work, but we also push more heavily on having graduate students and working with foreign nationals and being able to present the work you do, which is really important. There's a problem space that I'm really interested in at the moment, which has to do with what's called fully homomorphic encryption, which basically says that I want to be able to do all my computations on my encrypted data, so I don't have to decrypt my data to do something with it. And there's some really cool, powerful applications that I think will be made available in the future that will change sort of the security dynamics of how we operate on our data. You really need to make sure that you have that drive to really, because graduate school is a time where you're not making any money, and it's not the most exciting time for you in terms of like trying to figure out what's going to happen with your life. Like if you have that drive, then when you get to become a researcher, then you get all this sort of freedom that you don't necessarily have in other areas. I cook a lot. I like to ski, which is great because we live in Los Angeles where we could do that.